What's up? It's Sarah, studio artist at Milk Makeup. It's Glow Oil, Lip and Cheek, a sheer shimmering tint for a lit from within glow on the go. Glow Oil Lip and Cheek allows you to swipe on a subtle tint while you're out and about. Formulated with antioxidant-rich rice bran oil for a surge of hydration. An instant good-for-you glow. These sheer shimmering shades blend on seamlessly for a soft wash of color. It's so many F's. Sheer shimmering shades, soft, subtle. Are you guys kidding? Anytime. This mini size is ideal for quick application on the lips and the cheekbones. It's also great to throw in your pocket or your bag for a dewy flush on the fly. Dot onto cheeks and blend with fingers or apply to lips for a sheer wash of color and a surge of hydration. Shades blend in sheer but are buildable for bolder color. Halo, Astro, Flare, Glimmer, milkmakeup.com exclusive, Solar. These little guys are paraben-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, fragrance-free, and vegan. Duh.